Welcome back to EG Geeks. This is a typical Jingle Bells time in Brazil, in São Paulo. No snow, no cold, just raining all the time and very hot. It's very hot all the time, basically. This is our Christmas time in Brazil. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It helps a ton. And who knows, maybe it will even keep the frogs at bay. Now, let's get serious and start the exciting part of our study. As you remember, in the first video of this series, we took some epochs, 24 epochs of 40 seconds to be more precise, and from those epochs we create tables with different aspects of EEG quantification. For example, spectrum amplitude, and so on. Then we try to copy and transfer to an Excel file, but it was a failure. Because of this, we had to install some Java, Miniconda, and Jupyter Notebook, our real interface. And then I told you about this script to make easier to open Jupyter Notebook. Okay, just one click and here we are. And now we work with this file, this notebook, one page and PDF with many tables, each table in a different worksheet. Let's see if we are in the correct environment. Ctrl Shift, current environment, C users, Paulo Miniconda Embers, QEG397. Okay, we are in the correct environment. Just to check. You don't need to know programming, but you must have a PDF with tables. You just have to write the name of your drive here, your folder here, and the name of your file here. Where are the tables? You will have a Excel file created inside the same folder. Let's try it. You can click in here, run the cell. This is a cell. Or you can use Enter and Shift together. I'll try Shift Enter. Wow, we have a problem here because to run this script, we need some dependencies, some programs, some apps, and it's saying to us that we don't have PDF Plumber. Install PDF Plumber. How to do this? We go to Anaconda prompt, right mouse button, more, run as administrator. Yes, we are in base environment. Let's change it in order to keep organization. Activate QEEG397. QEEG397. Okay, we are inside the environment, the correct environment. Now you go to Google and write PDF Plumber pip. And here you copy this command. Go back to Conda and Ctrl V, pip install PDF Plumber. Okay. Successfully installed PDF Plumber 014. Okay. Plumber is already installed. Then click inside the window and Shift Enter. Oh, another error. Let me see. Module not found, error, no module named pandas. Okay, import PDF Plumber, import pandas as PD. Okay, we don't have pandas. Then we do the same thing. You go to Google and type pandas pip. You will be directed to this page and copy. Go back to QEG397 and pip install pandas. Installing. Oh, these are dependencies. Pandas dependencies. NumPy is a pandas dependence. PyZ, ZData, they are dependencies. It took some time to be installed. Okay, process finished. Go back, click inside the cell again and shift enter. Another error. Let me see script there. File, PDF file, OS path, adjoin script there. File is not defined. Let's see. File not found. File is not defined. Okay. Okay. This is the file. This is the file. Let's see. It's here and scripted here. Insert here. Let's see now. Shift enter. Another error. Data frame apply map has been deprecated. Use data frame map instead. Okay. Let's see, where is it? Data frame here. Data frame map. Oh, this is Python. Let's see now. Another error. Let's see. No module named OpenPyXL. No problem. We know now how to do it. Control copy. Instead of panda, came here and pp open PyXL. Here. Open PyXL, same page. Copy to clipboard and we come back to this environment and install it. Installed. Let's see if the magic happens now. He's thinking. It seems so. Table and titles extracted and saved to EG Notebook. Protocol Python Excel XLSX. Let's go to this. Okay, here. Okay, we are here. Let's see. It's correct. Table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see one by one. Amazing. Fantastic. Marvelous. Incredible. Astonishing. 40 tables. Okay. That's the idea. Next time we'll continue because we have here for each spreadsheet a table. But for statistic analysis, perhaps the ideal disposition is tables side by side. Let's try it next time. The files are in my GitHub repository. I will put this link into the description. And you have just to click on the file and download. After download the notebook, you go to Jupyter Notebook and you upload the file inside the notebook to open it. For example, let's say intro. Remember, the extension of notebooks is IPyNB. IPy notebook. IPython notebook. Open. Intro is here. Now you can open it in Jupyter Notebook. Thank you for your presence.